Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dear respected brothers and sisters, hope you're doing well. Allah Almighty mentioned in the Holy Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 216. Asa an takrahu shay'un wa huwa khairul lakum. That perhaps you dislike or hate something, but in reality, that is good and better for you. Wa asa an tuhibbu shay'un wa huwa sharrul lakum. And perhaps you love something, you like something, but in reality, that is not good for you, that is bad for you. Very important verse of the Holy Quran. And sometimes it happens, you try to achieve something in your life, you try to get something in your life, you try your level best, but you don't get it. Perhaps that is not good for you. And at the end of this verse, Allah Almighty says, Wallahu ya'lamu wa antum la ta'lamun. And Allah knows best, you do not know. Because sometimes when we try our level best to achieve something and we think that is good and better for us, but in reality, in the sight of Allah Almighty, that is not good for us. Because we do not know, Allah knows best. So my dear respected brothers and sisters, we are heading into 2023, New Year's. And I know many of us must have tried to achieve something in 2022, but we couldn't do it. Many of us, had planned to do this and that, but we couldn't execute our plans. We couldn't achieve things we wanted to achieve in 2022. But now we are entering into 2023, and I just wish you best of luck, that do not lose hope. Be optimistic. Believe in Allah Almighty, and all of us believe that Wallahu khairul makirin, that Allah Almighty is the best planner. And sometimes you making even dua to achieve something, you trying your level best, but you are not getting through. You know why? Because Allah has better plan for you. So believe in Allah Almighty, be optimistic, and start this new year 2023 with positive mindset. I wish you best of luck. I make dua that this year brings happiness, joy in your life, and prosperity in your life. May Allah Almighty protect you from any kind of major and minor calamities. Ameen bijahi Nabiyil Ameen sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Jazakallah.